Well, I guess while we wait for this thing, the court case, do we have any gamers or any other ticker symbols? Had my finger on sale when it ran to $12.
Eh,
I didn't sell at $12, man. I don't know why I didn't. Not in a bad way. I just feel like it was gonna do better. I like World of Warcraft. I like World of Warcraft too. I grew up playing that, and well, not that. I grew up playing like the original Warcraft, and then I really
wow,
wanted to get
it's
into World of
tight.
Warcraft, but at the time I was young and I just couldn't afford to pay monthly at the time when it first came out. I like it. I just at the time when it very very first came out and I was young, I couldn't afford to pay every month. Warzone Junkie. I used to play that too. I'm stuck on Dota. What are your thoughts on HLBZ? Also, what do you run Warzone? I haven't played Warzone in a long time. Like a long time. A real long time. Lately, I've been playing Apex. Lately, I've been playing Apex, Dota, and I was playing Half-Life Alyx because I got a VR headset. And then I beat Half-Life. You know how when you beat it,
Dude, my boy. Bro, unmute yourself in Discord, bro. I can't do it.
yo, one second. Anyone use Robinhood notice that said John Colucci was CEO a few days ago? Now, yeah, I seen that on. I don't use Robinhood, but I seen that on someone's what's it called, YouTube.
Oh yeah, no problem, Lambo. Yeah, bro, you should find out wherever people are trying to get on Blue Jeans and just redirect them to this YouTube or the Twitch.
Yo, back. What's up, Dirty? Back on Twitch. What you about to say? I've been playing Dota, bro. I still been playing Dota. I just haven't been streaming on Twitch. I've been streaming on Facebook. I use TD and Robinhood. I got Merrill Edge, bro. I used to use Robinhood until they got us with the okey doke with the AMC GME situation.
How much you holding, Lambo? 1221, dude. I'm a small holder, very small compared to a lot of people I know. Well, compared to my homeboy Skeeta.
Stop by my boy stream. Stop by my boy.
Stop by my boy stream, dude.
I got your stream pulled up. Let me see.
Dude, your Twitch is twitch.tv/Skeeta Season TV, right?
Twitch
That's
TV,
a slash.
Twitch TV, twitch.tv/Skeeta Season TV, yeah.
Tight.
Yeah.
About to put you on in my
You need
YouTube.
to play Hold Fast Nation. I never heard that, so it's after
Like 30K, damn, bro. I'm so mad at myself. I'm a broke college student. I don't have money to be throwing around like that.
I used to yeah. So right after the AMC thing,
I'm not gonna put
I did the same
myself
thing,
in legal harm by saying anything more than that. But I'm holding for like 400 something.
Hold Fast Nation. Is that on PC? Cause I'm a PC gamer, man. You know, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm a PC gamer, bro. Like I used to play console when I was young, but I'm old now, man.
Nice, dude. I'm 470 average, 470, 474, something like that. You're doing good, Lambo. If this turns out good,
I'll be right
that
back.
is.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna answer a phone call.
I hope so, dude. I really hope so, dude. Like, so much, bro. Yeah, I've been on this a couple years, bro. Maybe like a year and a half, but anywhere from a year and a half to 2.5 years. But all I know is that I did something I probably shouldn't have done, because as I said, I'm a broke college student. And invest, like, I seen the 100% utilization rate, and like all the stocks were like, I don't know how this dropped so much, you know? But BlackRock, yeah, dude, BlackRock owns, dude, I'm glad you mentioned BlackRock, dude. They own everything, bro.
All right, I'm back, boys. Nothing. I guess I didn't miss anything.
Ski,
right, let's see what
you
the
know
chat
about
says.
BlackRock?
That's a bank. What about it?
Nah, dude, never mind. They own a lot of businesses, bro.
Isn't that a bank?
It might be a bank. I don't know.
Yeah, I think BlackRock is a bank. That, you know, I mean, if you got shares, you technically own the business that you're talking about. And they usually load up a lot of shit.
True that.
Yeah, cause they be buying they be having a bunch of shares. That's how they be owning the businesses like that. At least as far as I know, at least. Hold Fast Nation. Yeah, is that on PC?
Oh yeah, Lambo.
Crazy mad voice chat and play. When you say that, I'm thinking what's it called? Rust. I used to play a lot of Rust.
I like your energy, Lambo, cause dude, you know what's up, bro.
I had to reload my fixed extension and masters. What's TFT? Masters and TFT. What's TFT?
Dude, I'm gonna just repeat everything you just said, Lambo, because it's so good. It's so righteous, bro. BlackRock alone bought 9 million shares this past weekend. They would not do that if they didn't know it was gonna go up. Someone that's causing all the problems had a massive 70-cent short in. Everything will come to light and get exposed. They operate in the dark. They were able to buy during the halt. Put it that way. 100.
Yeah, team fight tactics. People used to play that a lot.
Oh yeah, dude.
I never played it, but my friends used to play it.
Dude, I don't know if can you guys even hear the music? I'm trying not have it be super quiet for you guys. Alright, dude, it's kind of bothering me. It's been like an hour I've been chilling in this. But they should, I'm assuming it'll start anywhere within like 30 minutes.
Hey, you know what I didn't ask yet?
What's that?
You said someone said my Twitch is still in follow only mode. I thought I took it off. Is it not working? Can someone that's not following me type in my chat? I want to make sure it's working. It says follow only chat off.
What just happened, bro? Oh shit. Are we starting? What just happened, bro?
It's working. I'm not following. Cool. Alright. Sorry. Thank you. Alright. Yeah. So what I meant to ask, what's the thing said? Different meaning, but same judge. They made separate. Oh, I see what you're saying. So I meant to ask this question, the very big question that I didn't ask. Let me see some price targets. I want to see some price targets.
Yeah, hey.
I want to see some price targets.
I like that.
See what y'all saying.
Yeah, hey, drop price targets. You already know. Skeeta, I like you, dude. Yeah, I'll start an actual recording just in case like some weird stuff goes on, dude, you know?
$275. I don't know.
Bro, my hair is like disappearing, dude. It's not.
Keep coming up with that. $69.69, bro. If you get that, what happened? Let me. $69.69, bro. If you get that. Yo, why am I hearing myself?
Yeah, why am I hearing you too?
Yo, why am I hearing myself?
Oh, someone's playing you, I think, through the their mic on. Yeah, I'm just gonna be forward and straight with everyone watching right now that I'm not no big investor, dude. Dude, like, not at all, far from it. Actually, I've just been in BBIG for like a very long time, and so that's why I'm streaming this. It'd be tight to be like some big investor, dude. I've invested in like a lot of stuff, and I'm like, yeah, everything's down. Everyone knows that, so just hodl. Don't sell your stuff down, dude. But as I said, I'm not no big investor. Educational purposes only. I didn't tell you what to do or not to do. It's your free will, you know. You go do whatever. Alright, I'm gonna hide my camera while I smoke a cigarette. Yeah, yo, everyone in the chat right now, put target prices down. I want to see what all your target prices are or your predictions, just for the fun of it. You just gotta be patient with this stuff. Yo, Skeet. Oh, yeah, he muted. Yo, what was that? Who was that? So there's one case ahead of us that is already like going on in the courts. So I'd assume like less than like 30 minutes, but I said that like 10 minutes ago, so who knows? Hopefully like soon. Hopefully sooner than later. Oh, whoops. Yeah, dude, all these just getting their camera. Come on, Lambo. What's your target price, bro? Lambo, what's your target price, bro? Your target price is 130, 180, bro. It's a low target price. I'm saying after all this court stuff's going, bro. Hell yeah, I'm at 474. I'm like praying as well for just like, dude, honestly, I'm praying for $6 at this point, bro. I just need some money, bro. But nah, I ain't selling until it's well, like, you know. I'm hoping, honestly, target price for me is like 20, 40 bucks. But it could go well beyond that, so I don't know. Yo, BBIG fam, I don't know why it won't let you do caps lock. Don't do caps lock. Oh, maybe it's starting. Not selling 20 and 40 tight. I like you. Oh, wait, what is going on? People drawing and stuff? What just happened? What? Yeah, holding BBIG all day. Let's go. I've been hodling for a long time. It's about time we get to like 40 bucks, bro. That's all I'm saying. Again, I'm gonna say that I'm not no big investor or anything. This is all for educational purposes, and you know, whatever you do with your money is all you. Don't listen to me. Do whatever you want, you know. Yeah, dude, I've been in this for like a year and a half, dude. A very long time. Oh, you back, Skeet? Oh, that wasn't Skeet. That was someone in the chat. Joseph, what's your target price? Heck yeah, Joseph. Let's go. Got a little rave going for you guys in here, bro. Yeah, I agree. I think 20 to 40 is a good ask, bro. Like, it's not like... It's just not that hard. As long as we win this, at least. I don't even think it'll be that bad if we don't win it, but... That Farnsworth dude is a little freaking... I don't like him, bro. He be stealing money, bro. In my opinion. What's your average price at, Joseph? Average buy price, dude. I'm at like 370, 374, or I mean 470, 474, somewhere around there. Yeah, they are corrupt, dude. He's very corrupt. IMO. I don't know, dude. I don't think picking between two evils like should be a thing, but it is, bro. Damn, bro. Good for you. Good for you, bro. I wish we could vote to kick people. Dude, what? Someone was picking their nose with their cam on earlier. Nice, Joseph. Yeah, I'm a very small investor on the scale of whatever big
Hello?
is. Dude, no, Richard.
Oh,
Richard, mute your mic.
just a second. Oh, yeah, I see it here.
Assalamu alaikum.
Just a second.
Dude, what the frick?
Hey Richard, could you mute your mic?
Oh, it's my conference call.
I'm sorry.
It's my conference call. You're, bro, okay. This guy's funny. I like him.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Alright. 102 over 58. 103 over 53. That's been pretty much the average, quite frankly. Okay.
Hey Richard, could you mute your mic? Thanks.
Dude.
The top right corner.
128 over 64.
Bo, get out that.
127 over 56.
Dude, what?
58 pulse. Next one is 117 over 52.
Hey Richard, get off the fucking mic.
Pulse around 54.
Oh, dude.
117 over 54.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think Richard just muted
111 over
his
69.
computer and can't even hear it.
Could someone tell the clerk to kick this guy?
August
This is
11th
ridiculous.
97 over 71. That's
No way.
pretty much it. That's all I can see here.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Alright, thanks.
All right.
Richard, I'm gonna kill you.
Dude. Someone don't hack this guy and mute his mic for him, please.
You all right, Mr. Richard?
Don't do that. Don't.
right,
Don't. Did he mute? He still didn't mute his mic. I'm just waiting. I'm gonna call him. I'm gonna give him a call. I have his name right there, dude. I'm gonna look him up. You're like, hey, Richard, dude, what's up, bro? Dude, heck nah. I don't know if I'm allowed to smoke cigarettes on YouTube. I don't think I am. I'm gonna like hide myself. Don't smoke cigarettes. They're very bad for you. It sucks. I'm hoping it starts soon. Feel like it's been a minute.
Bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Alright. At least we got music, right? What's the chat looking like? I run an illegal fight club. Tight. Yeah, if you're in the stream, let me know what your target price is, alright? I want to know everyone's target price. Just out of curiosity. Yeah, Lambo, I was literally talking about that. I was like, dude, I don't think we should even have to pick between like which devil we have to side with. And yeah, they really don't care. Either way, you're gonna pick the one that wins. And they're gonna choose who wins, so. Yeah, they really don't. Lambo, what's your target price, bro? Dude, it's... Okay, I thought that was that same guy earlier. Damn, looking at the camera, bro. Dude, what? Speaker view of Tam, bro. What's up, Tam? What? Oh, target price, Lambo. Sorry. What's your target price? Like, what do you want it to hit? What do you think it's gonna hit more than what you want?
We see you. You're on your camera.
$2 a day. I'm saying like, dude, like, what do you think it's gonna be in like 6 months? Let's say 6 months.
Tam, turn off your cam.
No, Tam, don't do it. Yeah, hell yeah, dude. That's what I'm hoping. That's dude, Lambo. We're on the same wavelength with that, bro. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, I'm not big with stocks. I'm assuming though when top shareholders sell is when you want to sell. Just based on instinct. Oh, damn. Damn, Lambo, you got some knowledge. I like you.
Tam, turn off your cam.
Yeah, Tim, fuck you. Turn off your cam.
Hey, the guy with the orange shirt, turn off your cam. And yes, I would like an order of bacon and eggs as well.
What? A bacon? Okay. Well, back to good view.
Yes, Tam, they're talking to you.
This is all a simulation. Yeah, no, I know, bro. I would if I could, Lambo. I'm just waiting for my first long-term gain so that I can I just want to go $20 so I can three times off this and then start investing again somewhere else maybe. It depends. It just depends on if it's just steady goes up over time or what, I guess. I would over 3x if it went to 20 right away. I would 5x off that. About 4.70. Nah, 4. Yeah, probably 4.67, 4.73 first times. Dude, that's smart. That is smart, bro. Huh. Dude, I don't know. Day trading is something else, so bro, I just honestly that shit. Everything is way too volatile for me wanna get into all that right now. You think so? No, I got you. That's why you said weekly, daily trade. All right. Yeah, no, that's what I was doing at first. That's what I was doing at first, actually. When I bought BBIG, the next day it went up like 16, I don't know, my portfolio went up like 1,600 or something like that. And I was like flexing with everybody. I'm like, look at this, I'm not selling, because like, I thought it was gonna keep going up like a dumbass, and then it just, that's when it started going down and never went up. It's actually funny how that works. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I like that. Well, yeah. Yeah, Riley, I agree with you, bro. I'm not a big investor by any means. Everything I say, all educational purposes, again, don't take anything I say. Like, do whatever you want. Just, I know I need to have a disclaimer in there every so often. Oh yeah, I know. Well, we are all idiots to a point that one of us idiots would definitely like sue another one of us idiots if we had the opportunity, you know. So I'm just getting rid of that opportunity. All right. Yeah, I agree. But they can't risk the D-list because then they can't make money. Yeah, exactly, bro. Sue me. What's up? I got nothing, bro. But nah, for real, if they did D-list, they can't make money. So I'm gonna hide from the stream again to smoke another cigarette. Don't smoke cigarettes, by the way. Educational purposes, don't smoke cigarettes, kids. Oh god, what's going on? Oh, they're writing stuff again. Tight.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Dude. What? Bro. I'm not gonna finish that drawing. I'm gonna just leave it there. Bro. What am I doing, bro?
Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight,
Dude, it's an angry seahorse, bro. That's what it is.
hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies.
Dude, who's erasing everything, bro?
Mike was chopping up.
Dude, why are these guys hating on our drawings, bro? No, why? Bro, what? Dude, this dude keeps clearing the board, bro. Dude, I'm done. I'm done. I can't even draw a stick figure without someone deleting it. Dude, it quit. Oh, God. Josh, it's what say Josh.
Mute your mic.
Yeah, mute your mic, bro. What he said. Dude, I'm having fun, alright? Me and Purple Guy are having fun drawing.
Was that Richard? Hey, welcome back, Richard.
I'm like shaking my computer doing this. Dude, does it not show you guys what's here? Why is it not showing you guys what's happening in the chat, bro? It's tight. Damn, dude, it won't show. There's a lot of drawing going on. It's tight. Dude, why is this guy... Dude, they're deleting my sick person. It's not too tight. Alright. And this needs to hurry up. We need to get this started. Who is that, bro? I swear.
I feel like I fought all my life for this. This one part, this one third, I've always missed. No, just don't let it go. I started the fight, but now I'm losing. So, will I fall again? I'm scared of heights, yet it was me who ran away. Oh, I can't forget myself. The piece that I'm missing, it kills me inside.
There we go. Nope. Well. BBIG down to 118. Yeah, probably because this case is taking 4 hours, dude, to even start. I wish you guys could see what's going on right now. Yeah, there's a lot of power, and as my buddy Lambo has said, BlackRock holds like a lot of the shares. Heck yeah, no problem, Eric. And yes, we are all waiting. Hoping everything goes good. I wish it showed this like clipboard thing on my stream, but it doesn't. If you have no idea what's going on right now, we're all drawing in the chat. Dude, why is this guy messing? This is. Yeah, thanks for everyone. Thanks to everyone for tuning in. Glad to have you here. Been hodling like a year and a half. Drop how long you've been hodling, all right? How long you've been in on the BBIG in the comments. Wait, did it say that? I don't believe it. Don't believe it, bro. They're just trying to get people to leave for more people to join. Don't believe it, War in Heaven. They're just trying to get people out of there so more people can join, I assume. phone calls. What's this guy doing? Dude, he's definitely on the toilet right now, bro.
Your camera's on, bro.
Yeah, you're just staring into the camera, and it's really unsettling. I just want to point that out. I don't know if I should get you a drink or something.
Ugh. I'm ready for something to happen. No, it hasn't started yet, Randy. We're just waiting. It's been a couple hours. There's one court case in front of us. Yep, no problem. I don't know. I could not I could not tell you what you were watching earlier. I'm gonna look at my homeboy Twitch, because if it's maybe there's a queue for the case my homeboy's streaming this too. Wait. Yeah, it has not started. I think it'll probably be like a 5-10 minute break. I'll be showing a feed of the court proceeding. And I will drop the music down and put my camera off for it. Where's Adam located in this? I don't know. You would assume they do. Speaker view, I'd assume. I don't know. I'm assuming it'll just redirect once they start.
Press. Form 16 comments.
Okay, yeah, we got it.
Thank you, ma'am. All right, let's go ahead and set forth our appearances for the record.
Good morning. For the few minutes we have left this morning, Your Honor, Mark Conant appearing on behalf of Vinco Ventures. Also present is John Colucci, the interim CEO, and Bill Hogan, who we're in the process of submitting a profile. She's an interim.
Quality is terrible.
And good morning.
Your Honor, Will Kemp from Kemp Jones, appearing on behalf of Mr. Farnsworth.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor. Theodore Parker on behalf of Lisa King and Rod Vanderbilt.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nate Rulis from Kemp Jones on behalf of Mr. Farnsworth.
Good morning, Your Honor. Madison Zornzella on behalf of Mr. Farnsworth and Mr. Herbert.
All right.
Your Honor, I would be remiss if I didn't inform the court that we actually have Mr. Vanderbilt here, far right, Ms. King, who just stood up next to him, and on behalf of for Will, we also have Ted Farnsworth there as well.
All right, and I guess before we get started, I do know this. We got a reply. An opposition late yesterday. What impact does that have on the plaintiff as far as their motion's concerned? Do they want to file a reply or what? I mean, I don't mind saying this. There were a lot of factual issues being raised, right? For example, one of the issues I was thinking about, and it's my understanding, it was alleged that a similar motion was filed in New York State Court. What impact does that have? I did take a look. I realize this is a Nevada corporation, right, from what I can gather, and so on. I mean, and those are things I thought about, but just as important, there are a lot of facts here. And I don't mind telling you, because I thought about this even before I stepped on the bench today. I was thinking, and you can correct me if I'm wrong or not, there's a probability that we should probably have a separate session for this. Does that make sense? Just by yourself?
That makes sense, Your Honor. I think.
And I'm not talking about kicking the can down the road, because somebody gave me a date. Didn't they say next Wednesday?
The 23rd, there is currently a shareholder meeting scheduled for.
And when is that? Is that next Tuesday?
Yes,
okay.
From today, Your Honor.
All right.
And my understanding is, and Ms. Hogan can correct me if I'm wrong, but the maximum that could be extended to, I believe, is the 30th of August. Yes, it could be, because of statutory requirements, they could extend that
Is that
until
Thursday?
August 30th at the latest. One of the, and I'm not intending to get into the merits or argue, but to give the court the context, and solely for the context. I mean, because it's a publicly traded company, there are some, significant issues out there.
No, I understand.
NASDAQ
I do.
and all those sorts of things too that also have a sense of urgency as well, Your Honor.
And this was, I don't mind telling you this because I talked to my judicial executive assistant before hitting the bench this morning. And I was thinking Wednesday afternoon of next week.
The only issue I would have with that is payroll is to be made this Friday. We have been informed and believe that they do not intend to pay approximately 80% of the workforce, that they're going to just charge them. And I think that would disrupt the status quo completely. And so if counsel will represent that the payroll is going to be made until such time as we can move forward, I don't have a problem with it. But if he's going to continue with his plan to fire 80% of the workforce, and just elaborate a little bit, we bought one company for $125 million on February 21st. We bought another one for $38 million on February 22nd, cash sales, and they're gonna fire all the employees of these companies that we just purchased. I would think that the status quo would require that at a minimum we do something to preserve these employees' jobs, so that when we come back here next week, where there's nothing left to argue about.
Part of the challenge there, Your Honor, is there is a reduction in force.
Holy shit.
B, yesterday, the company received, because of the issues we had with being unable to do the SEC filings, the NASDAQ delisting and the like, which fortunately, just today, finally got done after 7 trading days of being suspended from NASDAQ. We believe, due to the defendant's conduct. But that, short of that, is there are significant issues out there, and yesterday we received a notice of default from the really only creditor out there, calling an $80 million note. They can sweep the account. Also, they served an event of default with a $16 million penalty. There's $96 million at stake, and if they proceed with that, they're going to sweep $80 million on the bank account. That they don't even need judicial enforcement to accomplish that. So I think that that's a significant issue that's out there. We're certainly willing to have some sort of discussion about some of this. And I think if we're going to preserve status quo, I think we also have to have, defendants comply with the existing TRO, which we set forth in the separate motion, the emergency motion that was submitted yesterday. So I think there are some issues there that, and there's a timing perspective, with being able to access certain things and in compliance with the existing TRO order.
Judge, he hasn't said a word about whether he's going to fire all these employees on Friday or not. And so we pay, and I would preface this by saying that before these companies were purchased, they got fairness opinions on each one of them that indicate that they're worth more than what they were paid for. So we're going to allow this person who's been involved with the company for 8 weeks to basically gut the entire company by firing these people. I'm informed that the payroll is approximately $700,000 for each 2-week pay period, and I would submit that that at a minimum we should have an order that they fund the payroll, and that Your Honor, these are the most valuable assets we have. These are the key employees.
Hey, thanks for the sub, Jeff.
This kind of money for.
Yeah, I'll put up the volume. My bad.
Is requesting that all 5 directors sign off on any kind of authorization for expenditures from the bank. And of course, we can't do that because they went and got a restraining order without notice, which is, in and of itself, it was improper given that we already had the New York hearing and they know exactly who the counsel were. They're easy to contact people. Then in any event, we can't do anything as the independent. We can't do anything as directors to help this situation because we're presently restrained. Because as soon as we try to help the situation, they're going to come in and what they've done, file a motion for contempt.
Hey, thanks for the
So my concern
David.
is, as I've already indicated, that these employees should be paid on Friday. And Today's Tuesday. And these employees are in multiple different states, Your Honor. It's not.
No, I get it. We have employees in multiple states. We might have 150 plus listening by Blue Jeans.
I think you have more than that, Your Honor, because I've been informed that someone's put this on Twitter, and there's a Twitter live stream now, and so you probably have thousands watching this. This is a very prominent public company, Your Honor.
And here's my point. We're asking for a lot of relief, and it's like a rush to an ultimate decision. And then I have an ongoing concern, and there's a lot of competing interests. I don't mind what really prompted me. I remember reviewing it last night, and why did the New York court deny the TRO?
Your Honor, can I address that quickly? I'm surprised that Mr. Khan had started his argument by saying he was not going to argue the merits and then just dove right into it. But I will suggest to the court.
I mean, that was a big.
I agree, Your Honor.
That was a big red flag. I mean, from a procedural posture. I mean, I don't know much about New York, and I don't know if they follow Rule 65 like we do. I'm not familiar with their rules, and they might do things slightly differently. And do they grant TROs like we do here, ex parte? I mean, I don't know.
Address that quickly, Your Honor. This is something I've heard you say to many litigators.
Thanks for the follow-up, Frank. Oh, dude, I think as high as I can get it, bro.
Right.
Rule 3.3, Nevada Rules of Professional Conduct says, candor towards the tribunal. You're familiar with it. 3.3d says, in an ex parte proceeding, a lawyer shall inform the tribunal of all material facts known to the lawyer that will enable the tribunal to make an informed
It's weird on my end, too, if you were wondering.
I cannot see for the life of me why Mr. Connick, Mr. Colucci, or whomever they were working with would not inform this court when it presented this motion for TRO of the decision of the New York Supreme Court, and in particular page 2.
Yeah, I'll turn down the alert box.
If you were to look at Exhibit 5 of our opposition, Your Honor, which is the last document. Should be attached.
Just pull that up.
Very last couple of pages of the opposition. And it should say Exhibit E, and it's an Exhibit E to the motion.
Right.
And the second to last page, page 3 of 4, is the order that Mr. Colucci and his New York attorney wanted the judge to sign. And you can see that every item here, the items that they asked this very court to enforce, were struck by the New York Supreme Court Justice. And then they turn around after being denied attempting forum shop, and they ask Your Honor to grant a TRO without providing you with that information. Certainly, this is something that court should have provided you in accordance with Nevada Rules of Professional Conduct 3.3d. Because Your Honor, as well as every other judge in this 8th Judicial District Court, depends on lawyers actually complying with our rules of ethical conduct or professional conduct. The other thing I would point out, Your Honor, under 3.34 of the Nevada Rules of Professional Conduct is fairness to the other side or to opposing counsel or party. There are items that we mentioned in our brief that we don't have because they have not provided. For example, the minutes of certain meetings that we reference.
That's not my mic, doing all that
Done
writing and
without
stuff.
the appropriate notification, without the participation of Mr. Rod Vanderbilt as the chair of the board, or Ms. Lisa King. And so they have secured a TRO that they should not have in violation of our Nevada rules. And this TRO shouldn't stand. Your Honor has been gracious enough to extend an opportunity for the plaintiffs to file some form of reply, but they're not entitled to file a reply under these circumstances. We put together, after not receiving notice, an opposition, which took a tremendous amount of effort and time, not only by our two law firms, but also by our clients, just to get to where we are. And now we find that they've duped this court. They've done so at the detriment potentially now of 80% of the workforce for Vinco Ventures. They're doing it to the detriment financially of not only the employees, but of course Vinco Ventures itself, and to those who worked so hard to put it together. They don't deserve any additional time. But what I think the court should do, if I were to be somewhat presumptuous, if we could have a hearing tomorrow, Thursday, something to make sure that we can pay these employees, these loyal employees. Especially given the fact that Mr. Colucci has already fired the chief human resource person. Mr. Noble, our chief security officer, has been fired, all in retaliation because we're simply trying to get Mr. Colucci properly vetted in accordance with NASDAQ requirements. This TRO can't be allowed to continue in force. And we ask the court for the soonest possible date to really get into the merits of our relative position.
Your Honor, if I may address these, in particular the attacks on the ethics. We advise the court of what the situation is. The defendants now are complaining that we came to Nevada. What they did in New York, and when they say all of this work, a lot of this stuff is a repeat of what they filed in New York. Okay, so they filed that 3 weeks ago. The court didn't deny it. The court set it for an order to show cause hearing. But what they don't tell the court, what's not being told the court here today, is the position they took in that New York litigation in their opposition. Their opposition stated that Nevada had exclusive jurisdiction according to the articles of organization of this company. And that's what the articles do provide. That's what we provided. We advised the court in our papers that there was a New York proceeding, that they had raised this issue. And because Nevada had exclusive jurisdiction under the corporate
No, I understand that. I mean, there's a lot of issues going on here.
So I mean, but I mean, to sit here
you know what?
It's like definitely a bridge too far.
And sir, you have to understand this one thing. When it comes to lawyers and arguing and things like that, I kind of listen, but then that doesn't bother me, sir. It didn't have no impact on me.
It's the advocacy, Your Honor.
I understand, but I'm looking at this from a problem solving perspective because we need to get this resolved one way or another, ASAP.
I agree.
You know, but this is important too. I try not to fly by the seat of my pants. I never have. You ask any lawyer that's been involved in cases involving complex litigation. That's one thing I don't do. And because I try to make sure to the best of my abilities, I understand what the appropriate facts would be and also what the law is. And there's a lot of facts being thrown at me. However, this is what I've been told, and maybe this will help. They're telling me that I have tomorrow afternoon, Thursday afternoon, and Friday afternoon. No, that's 9:30. That's the settlement. It would be done. We can't do it. Is there the summer conference isn't on?
It's not.
Okay, so we have all day Friday.
We do.
And all day Friday. How's that?
Judge, I'd rather do tomorrow just because of the employee problem. You know, and I still don't hear counsel say he's going to pay these people on Friday, which is.
We can get into that discussion, Your Honor.
How about this? I mean, make it really easy. Tomorrow and Thursday afternoon. That's a day.
What time is good for you?
We're talking 1:30. We have the whole afternoon to 5 o'clock, and then we come back the following day.
So 1:30 both Wednesday and Thursday.
Yes, sir.
Okay. With regards to the TRO, their TRO is dissolved? Or?
No, you've got.
Why should your TRO be in effect? You didn't give us a notice.
No,
this is your notice.
They haven't even complied with the order that you entered, Judge. I mean, you don't give a thumb in your nose as an order. Come in here with contumacious behavior. And it's rewarding bad behavior. Yeah. And 2 more days.
Tell me, well, that's again. What difference does 2 days make? And what about on the flip side? What about their major concern is payment of the employees? Is that an issue?
I think we can have that discussion. There may
Judge,
there may be issues.
How about this?
Here's the issue, Your Honor. The bank won't. Excuse me. The bank.
What I'm gonna do, guys? You know, I can only.
We're coming back tomorrow. We're coming back Thursday.
Mr. Kim, what would happen over the next 24 hours to the detriment of your
problem
client?
is, this is a Friday payroll. It's not a week from Friday. It's this Friday in multiple states. So as I understand it, the money's in a bank in Oklahoma. That bank will not release the money unless they get a signature from 5 different directors, 2 of which they've restrained, so they can't sign it. So all we're asking is that they at least be allowed to execute a document authorizing the transfer of $700,000 from the bank account, which I believe has 60 million plus in it. And there's another bank account, I believe, with 80 million. But in any event, all we're trying to do is authorize a $700,000 transfer to pay these employees on Friday.
24 hours is not going to make it.
Your Honor, it is going to be.
But my question is, wouldn't they be required to pay their employees anyway?
They're going to default, Your Honor. They want to fire these people. They've announced a reduction in force, and they're going to try to fire these people.
And that's where part of the dispute
And then they're going to come
comes in.
back and blame us.
That's where part of the dispute comes in. They don't want to have a situation where some of the required payments under certain state laws are paid for them on the RIF. It's not just about paying the employees. They don't like the reduction in force plan, which, by the way, has been approved by the directors. There have been 2 director meetings since the July 24th meeting that's in dispute. Mr. King and Ms. Vanderbilt chose not to attend those meetings.
Because we were restricted.
Even before they were restrained, okay? Even before they were restrained. And nothing restrained them from attending board meetings. In fact, I sent an email to counsel in New York last week and said, what do we need to do to get the information to them? No response, crickets. It's still never been responded to today. So they don't want to participate, then they want to come in here and complain about it. You go back to all the issues with the independence of the directors. Under the bylaws.
No, I get that's another day. I'm just asking a question regarding the payroll.
So I don't think 24 hours is going to make a difference, Your Honor. Today's Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday, payday is Friday.
Your Honor, you hear the
I'm trying to find a nice word of saying it. How can you condemn or criticize 2 board members for not participating when you're using your TRO to prevent them from participating? They can't sign anything on behalf of the bank, on behalf of all these employees, because your current TRO says they can't do anything internally or externally in relationship to Vinco Ventures. They can't do it because of their TRO. They're using your TRO as a weapon, Your Honor, to prevent them from participating, and then they use their lack of participation against them.
Here's my next question for you. And if I make a decision tomorrow as far as payment is concerned, would that be an impediment to having these employees paid on Friday?
I think that's tight, Your Honor, because I know with the day and age of direct deposit, you have lost a day completely because the money's got to be on Thursday if they're going to be paid on Friday. So if we tell the bank, again, it's in Oklahoma, if we tell them Wednesday, remember their 2-hour time difference, that they can release $700,000, maybe it can be done, maybe it can't. But
you can do it tomorrow afternoon, Your Honor. I mean, I call in my own payroll.
No, it's okay. I'm listening. I'm just looking at it from a procedural or technical. How do you do this stuff?
And why, for the life of me, they won't fund. We paid enormous sums of money for both of these companies. Now they want to fire all the employees. It's unbelievable.
The other thing, Your Honor.
Well, wait. But here's the thing: termination versus pay. That's a different animal, right?
It is.
I mean, if I got terminated, I'd still want my last paycheck.
Absolutely. When it's a deal.
All right. That's my point. I'm looking at it for they're due and owing their paycheck, right? So why wouldn't I grant? I mean, why would I? There's a proposed order that was submitted on that issue. What's wrong with signing that, making sure they get paid? And you know what I'll do?
You got to give them the opportunity to sign.
Wait. I'm going to let Mr. Conner. I'm going to give you an opportunity to talk to your client. We don't need to.
Am I able to speak, Your Honor?
No, you talk to your lawyer first. I'm going to step down for 5 minutes, and you guys talk. I'm concerned about that. And then I have my other cases I want to take care of too, right? So, no, that's fine. Go talk. We have an ante room right there, right?
All right. Yes. Just let me know when you're ready. Okay. Or be down here.
right, can someone tell me what's going on?
Order authorizing.
Damn, that's not looking good. Is that good? Is it? I don't know. Is it good or is it not good? Someone tell me. I'd be pissed if I wasn't finna get paid. Dude, what happened was Farnsworth got involved, bro. That's what happened. Or is maybe I'm wrong. I could be wrong. Educational purposes only. Don't listen to anything I say. Oh, Colucci got involved. I know one of them are like a corrupt dude that just drains the company's money. But Ted is a drainer. That's what I thought. All right, back to court stuff. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, Ted has definitely bankrupted multiple companies, and I don't know. Good for him. At least he's getting rich out of it, right? Just destroying all of us. Is Ted the good guy? Dude, you guys are confusing me. Some of you think Colucci's cool, some don't. Alright, Colucci bad. Ted is good. How's Ted a good guy if he drains companies though? I'm confused. Alright, back to court. I'm out. Good luck.
Please see it. Department 16 now back on.
All right, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Assuming we can keep the provisions of the TRO in place until at least, court concludes the hearing on Thursday, or if we happen to spill over to Friday, we can make the payroll on Friday. The concern is we didn't, there's a whole lot of other issues out there, with the default and the NASDAQ delisting and the like, so we keep everything else in place with the status quo, we can pay that payroll on Friday. And it's my understanding, after having a discussion, they don't need Mr. King or Mr. Vanderbilt or Ms. Vanderbilt, or Mr. Vanderbilt and Ms. King, my apologies, to authorize that. That's already, it can be taken care of with the bank. So payroll can be taken care of to address their concern.
Right. Judge, I'd like to know where this payroll's coming from, because we've been informed they don't have enough money to make payroll. They've been trying to get the Oklahoma Bank to release it. I have seen documentation from an attorney for the Oklahoma Bank specifically requiring as Exhibit C, signatures from all 5 directors as a condition of releasing any money. So I think maybe counsel, maybe we're taken by surprise with this, but from what I've seen, there's no way that if they're planning on this money coming out of the bank, that's going to happen. And I don't think they've got the money to make the $700,000 payroll just laying around. So at a minimum, I think we should protect this by having some sort of court order.
Well, that's what I'm going to do, Mr. Kemp. If it's going to be a payment, it's going to be pursuant to a court order. So there's no impediment in that regard.
I'm fine with that, Your Honor.
And I don't know where we get, they have all this cash to make it, and now they don't have any cash.
Yeah.
It's like,
No, they have the cash in the bank, Your Honor. There's $60 million in the bank, but I'm informed that they've been trying to get the money out of the bank to make the reduction.
This is what I want to do, gentlemen. I want to be really clear. I want to maintain the status quo, but I want to make sure everyone gets paid. Then I want to make a decision tomorrow or Thursday that resolves the preliminary injunction in the TRL.
Your Honor, the only other issue is the difference, and the court made a comment about this, difference between making payroll and a reduction in force, which would effectively terminate 80% of the workforce for Vinco Ventures. Are you, I did not talk to you.
I can address it.
We'll get into that. Listen,
He's agreeing. He's agreeing. He's agreeing.
I appreciate that, but agree after I get finished. Okay. Your Honor, the concern we have is your TRO did not give them the right to terminate these employees. Now, it's silent on that issue, but certainly you didn't expect your TRO to be used as a way of circumventing the bylaws of Vinco Ventures by keeping out 2 board members appointed by the shareholders and preventing them from participating in, from what we've learned now, 2 additional board meetings without their involvement whatsoever. And then to use those 2 board meetings to effectively determine that they're going to fire 80% of the workforce. That wasn't the intention of your TRO. So I'd like the court to, at least until the court can decide all the merits, allow these 2 board members, duly appointed or elected by the shareholders, to participate if there are any meetings between now and tomorrow, and not to allow them to terminate 80% of the workforce. Your TRO certainly didn't consider that to be the status quo.
Your Honor, if I may. The RIF, the reduction in force, was voted on back on July 10th of 2022. But that aside, we're not going to do the RIF. As I said, an opportunity to try and argue and impugn my clients or the company, but the company, they had notice. Mr. Vanderbilt and Ms. King had notice of those meetings that occurred. They chose not to attend. Their counsel in New York, who accepted service, was asked, how do you want to facilitate this? Crickets, silence. As of today, they've still not responded to that email. So yes, if there is a meeting, they'll get notice of it. I don't think there's any meetings planned in the next couple days because they need 48 hours notice anyway. So there aren't going to be any meetings. The RIF was something that was voted on, but the RIF is not going to occur between now and Friday.
Your Honor, just for the record, is Mr. Conant now saying that my clients, Ms. King and Ms. Vanderbilt, have the ability to participate on behalf of the Vinco Ventures board members? Because that's not what your order currently says. And if so, let's have a revised order sent to this court indicating that they have the ability as duly appointed board members to participate in the governance of Vinco Ventures.
Anyway, I mean, I understand the competing interest. I get that. For now, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to maintain the status quo, including, I'm looking here at the order. Is there a problem with the order that was submitted as it pertains to payment of the employees? Have you looked at that?
I have not looked at it that closely, Your Honor, because it wasn't noticed up.
Can you look at it today so I can potentially sign it? And secondly, it seems to me that there's no issue regarding termination of employees, at least for the rest of the week. And in hotly contested matters, I understand there's not the necessary, especially initially, level of trust amongst the parties. So if there's a representation being made that there won't be a termination between now and, say, Monday morning, can't we put that in an order?
Yes.
Okay.
Agreed. And the same in terms of the participation of Ms. King and Mr. Vanderbilt. They're duly elected board members.
But there's not going to be any board meetings in the interim, right? No. See, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to hold it off on that. I just want to do 2 things. payment. There's not going to be any termination, and then the TRO remains in place, and we just move forward, and we'll make decisions as to the whether or not the TRO should continue in light of probability of success on the merits and all the other issues that are required under Rule 65.
I thought I heard a concession, Your Honor, that those board members, Mr. Vanderbilt and Ms. King, are still allowed to participate as board members. I just also heard that he's not going to have schedule any meetings between now and the next couple of days, but I want to make sure we're clear on that point. Because that differs somewhat than the TRO. Maybe that wasn't their intention, but they've been able to exclude them for the last, since August 5th because of it.
I'll put in the order too. There'll be no board meetings until Monday.
That's good.
I mean, you know, I can problem solve.
Now that being said, Your Honor, there's nothing planned, and we would not do anything, but I mean,
Yeah,
depending on
and I'm
what
keeping the
circumstances
TR
arise in the
yeah.
world, we may request the court either tomorrow afternoon or Thursday, possibly schedule, let a board meeting go forward if the parties can't otherwise agree. And just because, there's so many things that come down the pike that might require a board meeting, but there are no planned board meetings. We would not hold any board meetings. The company would not, unless there's an agreement of all the parties or Your Honor directs it so.
And no further action from the board can be taken until this court addresses this current motion.
No further action.
Board action. Because you know what, you have two board members here who believe based upon the current TRO, they were not allowed to participate. If you're saying now that was a mistake in terms of the breadth of the TRO, fine. We can put that in the order and the court can sign it. But if you're intending to have the board do something without their participation, we need to make sure that's clear that it's not going to happen.
It's not going to happen. I just want to make sure I understood where you're coming from.
Yeah.
You are correct. That's not going to happen.
All right.
Judge, should I prepare the order and run it by Mr.?
I think you have a good working relationship.
I think we do, Your Honor, but I just want to make one other little point. There's a number of companies involved here. It's not just the Vinco employees we're worried about. It's Adriser, Mindtalk, and Lomotif. I don't think I'm saying that right. Lomotive. I don't want anyone terminated.
That's a significant issue, Your Honor, to be discussed in further hearings. At this time, we're going to hold our nose and write the check and make sure they're all paid. There are some real issues with those employees, but my representation about payroll is, anyone who's been on the payroll will remain on the payroll.
I understand.
Okay, I will try to do an order, Your Honor, and get it over here by 5.
Yes, and I'll be here, so I can sign it. And tomorrow, at what time again?
1:30, Judge?
1:30.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Canal, before you go, can I get the spelling of the last names of the folks that are with you?
Colucci?
Yes, if you don't mind.
C-O-L-U-C-C-I, John Colucci.
Thank you.
And Adele, A-D-E-L-E, Hogan, H-O-G-A.
All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
And tomorrow morning,
I'll wait till this is over, though.
If there's other documents you want me to review, you plan on utilizing, try to give me a hard courtesy copy. You can just drop it by the department.
As far as the reply,
And you know what?
I will try to make it short. I don't know that I will, but
No, that's okay. But I'm looking at it from this perspective. If I'm more concerned of documents because I kind of anticipate in your reply you can handle, because the opposition wasn't that long. You can handle whatever issues you think are important in open court. I have no problem with that. But I'm more concerned about if there's bylaws, documents, and things like that you want me to review and have in my possession. If you can get them to me, say by 11 o'clock tomorrow.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Same thing for the.
We can text the bylaws, Your Honor, as well as the.
Yeah, I have that right here, but I'm just looking at it from this perspective. I haven't reviewed it. I
From
don't
this
know if there's
perspective.
everything for example, you want to present. From the plaintiff's
Mr. Conant
perspective.
has the minutes from the July 8th and July 17th. We have asked you to bring copies of those. We reference them, but we don't see them made available.
We'll actually get those to Mr. Parker.
Yeah, but my point is this: whatever you want to support your position as it pertains to the hearing tomorrow, make sure we have it so I can review it.
And certainly, all I want is, I don't want to come in here tomorrow though and have them complain they didn't receive something. So if you have something you think you want, that's what I want. Make the request, please. So if there's
July,
anything else,
July 17th board meeting.
yeah, and if there's anything else, let us know. I don't want to come in here tomorrow and have and be criticized that we failed to provide documents when there's been no request made.
One other thing, Mr. Khan.
Yes. You said that there were 2 other board meetings that have happened since August 5th. Please provide those minutes.
Absolutely.
These two lawyers beefing, bro.
Apologize, we talked about this, Judge. Blue jeans may change, so counsel that are here, expect an email if it changes, and we'll let you know in advance, of course. We may use a different meeting ID due to the amount of people connecting.
But we'll see you at 1:30. Bye, all right?
1:30.
There were minutes from board meetings that your clients were involved in that we've not been provided.
I'll make the
Text
receipt.
me and we'll get it. Okay, awesome.
That's what I'm talking about. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Everyone enjoy your day. See if we can wrap this up.
All right, guys, that's the end of that. I guess we didn't really get much accomplished besides getting some employees paid and no one getting fired, which I think is a good thing. Maybe not, depending on how you look at it. Yeah, I'll be on tomorrow. If you guys know what the BlueStacks link is gonna be, let me know and just send me a message on YouTube or whatever. Yeah, no problem. I hope you all have a beautiful day. That was a waste of, not a waste, but I was waiting for that for like 3 hours, bro. All love. Y'all have a beautiful day. I'll see you later. Peace.